at the dump in Dawson City, excited to meet my next guest, Cud Eastbound, who's built a whole cabin out of materials salvaged here from the dump. Cud's also a musician and a graphic designer who's found a way to live an off-grid lifestyle but maintain a steady career.
Look at how much more sunlight there is.
A lot of times the best thing to do is to just like get your hands dirty. Have you ever had broccoli from a root?
Cheers.
Welcome to my home.
Whoa.
My financial goals are have as little financial goals as possible. How's it going?
And how are you?
Good. I'm Cud. Nice to meet you, Bran.
Nice to meet you too.
This is my favorite place to go.
The dump.
There's so much potential. You can build whatever you want, and whenever you need something, it's here for you. Right now I'm looking for some flat tin to do some flashing on my chimney, because it's like leaking a bit. Sometimes I have things in mind, but sometimes you just find gold. Yes. This is the metal pile, so we'll be looking for something like some flat tin.
Cud?
Yes.
Why don't you buy tin?
Because why buy something when you can recycle? I think that if it's here, you can save money, and then if you could repurpose something, that's kind of an adventure all on its own. Or
well.
There we go. That's actually what I need, flat tin. Yeah, because we could just flatten it out.
That's it?
Yeah. But we could go check out the construction pile and see if there's some lumber that I can score. The dump provides,
The
always.
dump provides.
Always. All right, this is the construction pile. And yeah, one of my dreams is to build a house entirely out of stuff from this pile.
Oh, wow.
But for now, I was just looking to see if there's any lumber that is worth salvaging. You know, like, that's pretty nice.
Oh, yeah.
That'd be a good post for like a new outhouse or something.
In the truck.
Ah. And sometimes the best finds are the stuff that's actually here. You never know when people are going to drop it off or what they're going to drop off. You okay with boats?
Oh, yeah.
Sweet.
Driving boats?
Sitting in a boat.
Safety first.
Always. Come on. I've been up in the Yukon for about 8 years now. So I'm a folk musician and I play banjo and guitar. I was living on the East Coast. A roommate of mine is from the Yukon originally. So she had suggested that I should come and check this place out. When I got up here in the middle of summer, I instantly fell in love with this place and decided to move here. Like as a musician and a visual artist, I don't really make enough money to sustain myself, but I'm a graphic designer, so that's like my, I guess, quote, profession. But I work as little as possible so I can really enjoy life, but also put a lot of energy into the projects that I do choose to work on. I feel like I could do a job and save up and buy things, but at the same time I could just work less, enjoy life more, and recycle. And I like the challenge. I like the challenge of it. Welcome to my home.
Whoa. This is your home?
Yeah, come on. This is my cat, Alice.
Alice?
Hi, Alice.
Okay, wait, so you built this thing from scratch?
Yeah.
What was here before? What was here?
Just the forest.
And then you built a house on it.
Yeah. And it turned out to be the sunniest spot, so I was very happy. Yeah. I'll show you what I'm doing on the backside.
Yeah.
I'm building a bedroom addition.
Oh, wow.
So my bed is a king size, so it's gonna come to here, and then I'm gonna have wraparound windows.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so you get to feel like when you're in bed, you're like in the woods.
How long did this take you to build?
This took me 3 months.
No, it didn't. This took you 3 months to build?
Yeah, so every day I'd wake up, it was 8-hour days, and in 8 hours I could fall a tree and then get 2 logs done.
How did you learn how to do this? Or do you know how?
I mean, it's been my dream since I was a little kid to live in a sod roof cabin. Yeah, just talking to old timers and getting their take on things. A lot of the older cabins, I definitely, they're all broken down in the bush, and I look at how they were built and try to figure it out. But a lot of it's just, you just gotta do it.
You just gotta do it, yeah.
Can
we take a look?
Yeah, come on up. Yeah. My roof is made of dirt. It's like the forest floor is up there.
Oh, on your roof.
On my roof?
And it keeps it cooler in the winter?
No, warmer in the winter,
Cooler
in the summer. So I've got a lot of brassica, and I've got strawberries and peas. And this is my first year growing of a garden. So just a lot of questions to a lot of pals.
Yeah.
But here, some broccoli.
Oh, wow.
Have you ever had broccoli from a roof?
I have not.
There you go.
Cheers. Tastes just like broccoli.
That's good. And yeah, I got zucchini, and it's nice to hang out up here.
How long has it been sodded for?
I finished this last year in the fall.
And you're happy with the result of it?
I'm happy with the edges are taking root, but because I've been walking on here gardening, this is like, the moss is delicate. Like this moss is like hundreds of years old. Some of it's still living, like over there and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm working on a flat stone walkways.
So what's under the sod? Is there shingles?
No, so the whole roof is made. Well, do you want to see inside? You could see the ceiling. It's really cool.
Yeah, I would love to see inside. Yeah, yeah.
So this is the kitchen. Even though it's a small cabin, I really wanted a lot of counter space.
Yeah.
My dream is to have an island one day, but I need to get the bedroom done so that I can get the bed out of here.
Is the wood stoves from the dump?
Yeah. Like modify it a bit, but yeah, the glass is still good, and yeah, it keeps me nice and toasty. Yeah, mostly everything's salvaged. Once I can get this bed into its own room, I can finally have a kitchen table, which is, I haven't had a kitchen table for like a decade.
It has a very like witchy man of the woods-y vibe.
Yeah, I think it's the low ceilings.
They're not that low though.
No.
I mean, they're quite low, but they're not. It's not basementy.
No, that's true. Yeah, and a lot of light comes in here.
What's your favorite part of the house?
The walls are made of trees.
Yeah.
But like, I know every one of these trees intimately because it either got hung up or didn't fall right, or I struggled with it. So my favorite part is that I'm in a horizontal forest, right? Because all the logs are sideways.
I've never heard of it like that before.
Yeah.
What would be a piece of advice you would give someone who wanted to do this?
I think the most important piece of advice is to not be scared of making mistakes. I feel like society's set up in a way where everyone's taught to be scared of like doing their own plumbing and own electrical and all that, because if you do it, you're gonna put people at risk. But a lot of times the best thing to do is to just like get your hands dirty and try it.
The biggest thing is being able to live life how I want. So making my own schedule, waking up, and then running into a friend, their oven stopped working, and I spend the day helping them fix their oven. I really enjoy the flexibility and the freedom, but also, I don't know, kind of like a very codependent person. So like I feel like I find a lot of my self-worth and self-value in what I can offer, and I get to try to figure things out and learn new things and make friendships and feel less alone in the world.
Cool.
Thank you for the help. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Well, we started late, so I'm pretty tired.
Yeah.
And whenever I have guests over, I enjoy working, but I also enjoy hanging out. I like to chat.
Should we get a drink?
Let's go. Yeah,
Maybe strum on the old banjo?
yeah, let's go grab a drink.
Play a ditty?
Maybe I'll play a song.
Play this little song, a little medley?
I still miss you like I flip a light switch on in my house, and I know how much work went into the process of being able to have that electricity so I have light. So it's humbling, but also makes me appreciate each moment of every day. And as a result, you have less stress, and less stress means you have more time to enjoy your life, which means you have more time to share with others. I can't picture myself working 9 to 5 to amass a ton of money and then just die. Like I'd rather not have the money and just enjoy what I can while I'm here.